by road on the outskirts of Mumbai, and now we need to try and get on a local train to take us in somewhere near where our hotel is, hopefully. Fingers crossed, and we'll get to see how the locals travel, I think. This is the first station I've been to that doesn't put platform numbers on. Platform 5, and we've walked up and down. In the end, we've just gone for the 5th platform and hoping that's right. So the overnight train we got came into a suburb on the outskirts of Mumbai, and from there we had two options to come into the centre. We could either get an Uber or we could get the local train. The Uber was about $15, the local train was 50 cents. So we went for the local train.
Which saved us some money, but it was deeply unpleasant.
It was chaos for about half of it, absolute
If you think
chaos.
the tube in the summer in London is bad, you need to get on a train in Mumbai.
Take a London tube in rush hour and double it, and that's what it's like. However, we do now have enough money in the bank to go out somewhere nice for dinner and have a glass of beer. GPS on Google Maps is our saviour yet again. So we've checked into our hotel, it's pretty late now and we've spent the best part of 24 hours travelling to get here. So we are off to get some food.
This looks like a kind of rice flour dough puffy pancake. It's sort of soft. It's very different to what we've had previously. This is still tomato based, but I think it's got coconut in it. And these are good. They're very interesting. Totally different to anything I've ever had before. Definitely is some kind of rice flour. Quite it's got almost a charred taste. It's very nice.
So dinner was really good. It's our first taste of southern Indian food. Really different from what we've been eating. A lot more coconut and actually probably more spice than a lot of the stuff I've had in northern India, which isn't what we were told, but yeah, super tasty and glad we went there. And cheap.
And now we will be calling it a night and heading to bed and planning probably what we're going to do tomorrow. Your hair's all over the place.
Yeah, I haven't brushed it yet today.